Hey everybody, Brian here again. I'm gonna put you guys together a little video compilation here in a minute. I just come back from riding out on the road a minute ago. Saw a few stuck vehicles. It's very slick, very slick. Best advice be stay at home. Don't go no anywhere unless it's an emergency. I have to. Yeah, just stay home. So far right now we're lucky enough that we still have power, so we'll keep praying that it don't get any worse than that. But yes, it's very slick. Best I can tell, VDOT is not even clearing the roads. So all right, thank you. Good and slick. It's freezing rain right now. Yeah, it looks like the roads are good and slick. Not sure how the main roads are. Yep. I'm on the side street right now. You get the idea. Yeah. It's nasty, so I like so. Look at all this mess. Ooh, wee. Alright. Yeah, you see the, or you can hear the rain, I guess. And sleet. Yeah. That's nasty. Nasty. I would advise you to stay at home. Temperature is, according to my truck, 24 degrees. Wind chill was 11. Yeah, it's not very nice out here. Yeah, please stay home if you can. Best I can tell, we still have power for now up here. It looks like it anyway. And let's keep hoping and praying for the best for all of us. Okay, thanks for watching.